the Rebel 2019. So this is what the factory stereo looks like. Check it out. Man, that doesn't look good at all. But you know, we're gonna change it all up. Change it all up right now. You know what? The other one's glossy too. This is all like flat black.
Texture.
Yeah. Cool.
I hate Dutch.
Martin doesn't like Dutch. Woo. All right, we'll come back. We'll see him take this whole thing apart. All right, I'm gonna check out this Ram. It's finished. Let's see what it looks like. That looks clean, man.
It does, man.
All right, let me see if I can get a grip. Let's go ahead and play with it a little bit. That's the AC controls. Cool. Tuner. So just like the other ones.
Let's connect the car, please.
Boom, Apple CarPlay is getting connected. Oh, that's clean as hell, man.
Yeah, man, looks freaking badass.
Boom, there you go. So that's the home. So these are also like the apps. Is there more? Here's the app list. So you have here your Google Maps too.
Yeah.
To give the internet to this thing, you have to go to settings. And then you hotspot it and you go to system, network, and then put the internet. Then you can get all the other stuff like the Netflix and YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, some stuff. Bam, there she is. She's finished. Looks really good. Clean. All right, Omar is doing this cool ass car. Look at it. Looks like Goku, huh? Like Goku from the Dragon Ball Z. I think that's what he wanted to do.
Before you get too deep into your video, call him and let him know how much is gonna be the sounding thing.
You want to give a price?
Huh?
You know, how come you didn't give a price?
Because I don't know how much you charge for it.
Okay. So Omar's gonna change out these speakers. We're adding this to the car. This is cool. That's going to give us the information of the vehicle on the radio because he has the Alpine 309. Cool.
Anthony, when are you talking about, or when are you gonna talk about the Dodge replacement screen?
Not on this video.
Not on this video? That's
Also,
nice.
the Audio Frog speakers are going in the door. So Omar will take care of this one.
I think it's gonna have Wi-Fi too.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at all these characters. Open it. I want to see if there's really a rat in there. Open it. Open it. Oh, there's no animal attached to it. It's a lies.
What is this, a tail?
Oh yeah, there's Rudolph. That's his nose over there.
The what?
That's the nose. It was Rudolph.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So
also
was in the front?
Arc Audio 450 by 4.
Para las highs, nomás el amplificador.
Yeah.
¿De qué?
So let's watch Omar work. Damn, Omar. Ya se apagó la luz, güey.
No cargas las pilas, güey, no mames.
Alright, so right now he's running cables for installing the app. We're waiting on the customer at the doors. So, dang, Omar. Was the other one in there really bad? ¿Estaba muy malo? The other fuse holder. That one. Ugh, what is that for? Alright, cool. I'll let you be, homie. You like working on the Dragon Ball Z? Man, look at that fuse holder. Now we're about to do the back speakers. A lot of noise in here. Look at those back speakers, boy. I'm gonna put those 4 inches, and yeah. But we gotta make a plate to make it fit. Omar de Saba buscando, way. What are you making? Okay, okay. Nice. Omar, they want to know when you start working. Car audio.
99.
99? So today we find out Omar used to work, started car audio in 1999. I believe that's the same year when the Chronic CD came out. Yeah, just before that I think. I don't know. But anyways, he has to make that plate fit the speaker. It's not really a 4-inch. It was a 3.9. So has to open it up a little bit. Okay. See him do that. Look, Coach, you're working on the box right there. Omar, what are you making, man? It's taking like 6 years, bro.
Madre no deja de ser más riesgo, ya vi como se brinco ahorita.
Chingón, way. So now you made the plates for the window? For the speakers? Dang, Omar. What school did you go to learn this, Omar? YouTube?
No. My brother did.
Oh. Dang, Omar, what else are you doing, man? I thought we were done.
No. What's the dynamite?
Sound deadener. No dynamite. Man, you're all white, way. Todo blanco. Let me fix that. There we go. There we go. We don't do politics on my channel, way.
Ya no?
I think 9 is too much. Let's go to 5.6. All right, Omar. What's next? Mount the tweeters on our little thing. Okay, está bien. We'll see what it looks like when you're done. Make sure you let me see before you put the top back. All right, so this is what he was making all that board for. So we can put it in that slot, and then this thing's gonna cover it, and then we got room for the speakers, right? Okay. So the Goku is getting worked on still. Let him finish that up. Dang, Omar, the sound deadener looks chingon. I like it. Dang, Omar. That's how you sound deaden a door, baby. So we had to make these little spacers because we don't have any, but Omar did a good job. Omar, 10 out of 10. Mija. Es porque tú eres al chingón. What about the spacers? I told you not to put it until I get to see it, wey. No mames. You didn't let me see the front, wey. ¿Ya ves cómo eres, pinche, wey? Gracias por nada, compa. Damn, look who's in there. What's up, boy?
What's up, bro?
What are you doing?
Tuning, but I don't have a DD1 and all that crap. That doesn't need RTA.
Why not?
DSP, I mean, come on, guys. Making this weird.
You look comfortable, man.
Yeah, it's a pretty small car, but you know what? The rear seat's pretty good. I just don't reach the pedals yet. I need to be shaft there.
All right, look at this. Junior's just finished tuning it. Thanks, bud. Now the amp's done. We're gonna be putting on the seat, right, Omar? Simone. This one's a wrap. I'll show you what the radio does in a little bit too, okay? Cool. Put the seat back, homie. Ponle para atrás, away. All right, I want to check out what we did on the Scion. I wanted to show you guys what was able to be accomplished by adding the Maestro piece, okay? We'll check it out. So this Maestro data piece, which is right there actually in the window, the Maestro RR, it allows us to get information from the vehicle. So information like the doors open, tire pressure sensors. It also allows us to get information like the rev monitor. Rev it, Omar, press the gas poquito. See that? That's cool. And also tells you other stuff like all that. So that's cool. And you can also go into vehicle settings and do a lot of cool stuff like the fuel economy, OBD2 communications. Also, we're gonna give you a sound demo after we replaced all the speakers with Audio Frog, and also we did the sound. So let me see how it sounds.
You're trying to make a fool out of me. You're gonna learn it's not that easy. You lost your chance, now I'm under attack. Part of my revenge that I should better. You'll be sorry when you want me back. You'll be sorry, 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 sorry. You'll be sorry.
All right, that's it. It's over. Man, did you see that little blue car? Little Goku looking car? That was funny. I think it was a Subaru / Toyota. But yeah. And dude, that Dodge Ram screen looked good. That Dodge Ram screen looked really good. I think my favorite part of it is the gloss edges. That was great. On that Goku one, looked crazy, crazy, crazy. The El Camino, no, the Monte Carlo is almost done, okay? So let's pray that we get a video of that one in a few weeks. But yeah, man, appreciate you guys watching and commenting and subscribing. You guys are the best, I swear. I got some cool followers. Thanks, guys. Peace.